Good morning, myself Rutuja.
And myself, Shravya, we both are here to represent you the topic return on investment.
So basically, ROI means when you invest in something and the return you get on it is return on investment. And also ROI compares how much you paid for an investment, and the return you get is return on investment.
So now we have learned the efficiency. Now we will learn the uses of ROI. The uses of ROI is to directly measure the return amount of return on a particular investment related to the investment's cost, and there are also some rules for long-term investing. So first, if you should know about the investment. If you don't have any information about it, or you don't have any knowledge about it, so first you should collect the information and then you should stick to it, and you should also always create a plan, and then you should start investing. It is provided for your best investments.
Here are some risk level that if you want to go with low risk, then you can go with index fund, government bonds, and annuities. And if you want to go with high risk, then you can go with cryptocurrency, startups, forex, hedge funds, etc.
In this high risk, you also get the most high returns, and also here are some business options for you which are very best. And also, as you can see, there are low investment high returns. So you should if you don't have a proper budget, so you should sell a service, or you can create an app in which you need low investment but you also get high returns on it. And here are high investment high returns, as you can start an electronic store, you can start a solar farm where you invest high and also you get the high returns on it. And here are low investment low returns. If you have low budget, so you can start a pet sitting service, consulting for small business. This may provide you as a loss, but it is also okay because you also get the returns on it. And here are high investment low returns. So there are specialized medical practice, high end fashion brand, fine dining restaurant, and luxury retail boutiques. These are not provided for the best. It can be a loss for you, so avoid these businesses, and you should start investing in those businesses as it is best for you.
For example, let us say that you have invested 30,000 and the return you get is 60,000, means you earn profit of 30,000. This is return on investment. Thank you.